Welcome back to Usawa videos. Today I'm going to show you how to add inventory items in Usawa. Please kindly follow these steps. Go to Settings. The first step is to add inventory item categories. To add inventory item category, click Inventory Item Category. Add new category. Enter the category's name. Drinks. And save. Now, we have different types of drinks, like energy drink and soft drinks. So we want to make drinks a parent category for energy drinks and soft drinks. To do this, click Add New Category. Enter the category name, Energy Drinks. Select the parent category and select Drinks and save. We also want to add soft drinks. Click Add New Category. Enter category name, Soft Drinks. Select parent category and select Drinks. Click Save. The next step is to add the unit of measurement. To add unit of measurement, go back to Settings. Click Unit of Measurement. Here we have list of unit of measurement. And you can also add new unit of measurement by clicking Add New UOM. Enter the unit of measurement. Portion. Enter description. Portion. And save. The last step is to add the inventory item. To add your inventory item, go back to Settings. Click Inventory. Then Add New Item. Select the item type, services, or goods. Enter the item name, bullet, testing, energy drink. Now you can add HSN code if your item has this code. Enter description. Select the item category, energy drinks. You can add the item image by clicking Select File. click on the file or the picture. You can enter discounts for this item. For example, 5%. Select the barcode type. Now, you can enter your barcode manually or allow Usawa to generate a barcode for your item. Confirm if your item is tracked. Select Inventory Asset Account. Here we have finished goods, we have inventory, we have raw materials, we have work in progress. Enter the purchase price. Now, for example, let's say we buy or purchase bullet testing energy drink per carton and we sell per unit. So the purchase price per carton is 25,000. Select the cost of goods sold account. Select the VAT rate if this item is VATable. And then select purchase unit measurements. Carton. Enter the sales price. Per unit is 2,000. Select the sales account. Sales. Select the VAT rate. VAT on sales. Select sales unit of measurement per unit. Now, one carton equals to how many units? Let's say we have 15 units in one carton. And save.